Good morning, dear students. Presenting you this easy to make instant dhokla recipe. Enjoy. Ingredients required: besan 1.5 cups, salt 1 teaspoon, haldi half a teaspoon, lemon 2 teaspoons, and water. Now, in an empty bowl, mix all of these ingredients together. Now, start adding water gradually and mix with the help of a whisker. The water must be added gradually so that you attain a neither too thick nor too thin mixture. Now that is the consistency we are looking at. Leave the batter to rest for around 30 minutes. Meanwhile, grease your molds with some oil and get ready for steaming the batter. After 30 minutes, add half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon water on top of it to activate your ingredients. Stir in one direction. See how the batter has started fluffing up. Now put the batter in your molds. The molds are now set to go into a preheated steamer. We will steam this batter for around 15 minutes on a medium flame. We will now simultaneously prepare the chashni or the sugar syrup for the dhokla. For that, you require 2 tablespoons of any refined oil, add 1 teaspoon of black mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of white sesame seeds, and some curry leaves. Let this flutter. Now add 3 to 4 teaspoons of white sugar and about 1 cup of water. Give it a boil, let the sugar dissolve. Turn off the flame. Your sugar syrup or chashni is now ready to be used. Our dhokla is out of the steamer after 15 minutes. We are now going to poke some holes in the dhokla so that the chashni can go in and we get a spongy dhokla. Now start pouring half of the chashni on top of your dhokla pieces. Rest of the chashni will be poured after 10 to 15 minutes. Garnish your dhokla with some shredded coconut, green chili. Enjoy this recipe with some freshly made green chutney. Stay fit, stay healthy.